Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Charge the AirPods and open the case so the earbuds can enter pairing mode. Press and hold the tiny setup button on the back until the status LED flashes white. This signals discoverable mode. On your laptop, turn Bluetooth on and open the Bluetooth settings pane. Once done, keep the AirPods case close to the laptop and leave Bluetooth scanning active. This step initiates device discovery and allows your laptop to see the AirPods Pro 3. You now choose the AirPods Pro 3 from the list of discovered devices and click Pair or Connect. Wait for the confirmation that pairing succeeded. The laptop may show a connected icon. Once connected, make the AirPods the default playback and microphone device in your system's sound settings so apps route audio correctly. If you have options for noise control or spatial audio, enable them now. This ensures consistent audio routing and lets you customize mic and playback behavior for calls. You finish by testing. Play music and make a quick test call to confirm mic and audio quality. If audio is muffled or drops, switch the laptop's Bluetooth off then on and check for a Bluetooth driver or OS update. Drivers often fix stability issues. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.